The classic Zoom courtroom chaos. The judge just want a name, and we're already off to a rocky start. You can almost feel the panic through the mic. Pro tip: before unmuting, make sure your brain is too.
23 CR 1254 is now called the State of Texas versus Christopher Caleb Watson, who is here with Mr. Adams, his attorney, and state's attorney is here. Does the defendant waive formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about April 25th, 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed a state jail felony of burglary of a building. Do you understand what your charges are?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a state jail felony like this, you face confinement in the state jail for any term of not less than 180 days or more than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement's been reached where you would be pleading guilty and sentenced to 8.
All right, folks, buckle up. This courtroom session has everything: confusion, confrontation, and a crash course in restitution. Let's see if our defendant can talk his way out of jail or straight back in.
18 months in the state jail. Restitution is ordered in the amount of $600. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How are you going to pay the restitution?
I don't know.
How are you going to pay the restitution? They need to get, well, that their plan needs to be in place before I accept the deal. I don't have to take this deal. The victims want their money back for the loss.
I didn't pitch restitution.
How you going to, sir?
I didn't pitch restitution, so you just came from you. Restitution.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to take a deal if you don't have the money to pay it. You can just sit it out for 2 years.
Judge,
No, that's what the people want. The people want
Judge,
to pay.
hang on.
You're going to
Quick breakdown. This is a plea deal. The defendant's agreeing to plead guilty in exchange for a reduced sentence. But here's the catch. The deal only stands if restitution, basically paying back the victim, is squared away. No money, no mercy.
I guess it's probably for that. That looks like what the damage is. It could be that much, you know, if it's a big door. That's all it is. But it's not a debate. It's they put in for they said they're owed $600, and I deal with the people. They're just not defendants in the trial. You got victims. Yes. And victims have a say. There's a loss. And we're going to try to accommodate them when they are lost, on a loss. People will say, why are they making a deal? Then I'm out the money. What did they do to get a deal? And I have to deal with those directly, sir.
For you.
Sir.
For you.
Sir?
Oh, what's your judgment on the case?
It's 600. You're going to have to pay $600. I'm not going to take the deal. Sir?
600 is not days.
Sir? I'm sorry, what'd you say?
600 is not days, it's money.
600. Okay, fine. I understand that. I don't have to take a deal.
So
So we'll just put it on the trial docket. And when it gets around to getting ready for trial, we'll try. That's what we'll do.
I don't know what restitution is.
Restitution is payment for loss.
Oh,
And the people say they lost $600 worth of something, and it's apparently the glass that was broken when you burglarized the building. I don't see any other loss.
Oh boy, tension's boiling faster than courtroom coffee. When your lawyer has to tell the judge to hang on, you know it's going sideways. This isn't debate club. Judge Stevens is running this show.
But that has to get paid.
but it was lost.
$600 lost. And they're going to say, why did he get a deal? If we're out
He
the
didn't get a
money.
deal. He didn't get one.
Sir?
He didn't get a deal. He got
Sir?
a deal canceled. His deal got canceled.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
can serve 2 years is what the law says. You can serve up to 2 years. And that's, and a deal, and a plea agreement Look it up. There's no right under law for that. There is no right under law. And you're looking at up to 2 years. That's what the law states. And I don't have to accept it. It's a privilege that's trying to move cases. But if the people say we need our restitution back, they're going to get accommodated. It's not right. If I was injured and they got a deal, well, that's nice. Where's my $600? There's no way you can find that money. There's no way somebody can help you with that.
No, you don't give that chance. You don't give that kind of chance. You're going to let me out of jail. I was going to get the restitution money, and then we just weren't going to do that because there was restitution
this wasn't
money,
a probation.
and now I'm not going to do it.
This wasn't a probation.
So 6 more months. Then 6 more months.
This wasn't a probation.
Over 600.
Okay.
And there it is, the word of the day, restitution. It's not punishment, it's repayment. The victim's loss, in this case, a broken glass door, becomes part of justice. But what happens when the accused doesn't even know what restitution means? You're about to see how that misunderstanding flips everything.
What the hell is going on?
No, we just said for trial. That's all. I didn't know. Thank you.
You got to know how to decide something, Judge. You got to decide something. You can't.
Sir, I'm sorry. You don't make the rules in this courtroom.
No, I make decisions.
The law
I make decisions.
The law does. The law says you have a right to a trial, and we will accommodate that. We'll set it for trial. Thank you.
200 days.
200 more days.
And that's what we've got to deal with, I guess. Just under 2 years, I got this.
Well, that's 20 minutes of our life we'll never have back.
20 minutes, one canceled deal, and $0 in restitution. The moral? In court, words have weight, and sometimes silence would have been the smartest defense. So what do you think? Was the judge too strict or just doing their job? Drop your thoughts below.